Okay, so then when you factorize the algebraic expression which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, okay, at that time we have to remember, okay, this thing that I'm going to show you now. The expression to factorize will be
Excuse me, sir.
given. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, tomorrow we shall do in typing or we shall do in lucid.
Okay, about examination I will tell you at last, okay, how to do, how to submit that I will tell you at last, okay, children. Now listen to me.
Okay, sir.
Ax square plus minus b, here may be plus also minus also, and bx, and here also maybe plus also minus also, and c for this constant term. In this c there will be number, some number, and it may be positive also, maybe negative also sometime. And here also b, look here, b is the coefficient of x. In front of this b there may be also positive also, maybe negative also. And here in front of x square there is a is here positive one, okay. A is the coefficient of x square, okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now here I am going to show you the method. Look this one. When the expression is given in ax square plus bx plus c, okay, a and c will be multiplied. When you multiply a and c, when we multiply a and c, and if its value comes positive, and we find middle value b by adding two numbers, okay, and when you get the value of multiplication of a and c negative, then we get that middle value b by subtracting this m and n. These two values we have to subtract. And what does it mean? Look, I want to make it clear from this example. Look at children, when you factorize this one expression, we have to multiply this 2 and 3 first. When you multiply 2 and this plus 3, what will you get, children?
6x square.
You will get,
6x square.
I am just asking to multiply number only, okay, don't write x square only. That
6.
2 3s are 6. 6 is positive or negative, Prajol?
6 is positive.
6
Positive.
positive. Yes, good, very good. If 6 is positive, then this 7 we will get the 7 by adding two numbers. Clear, children?
Yes, sir.
How to get the 7? By adding. Okay, by adding.
Adding.
Okay, then what will look here? That is shown here at the side one only here. And then we have to show like this, look here. 2 3s are 6 begin, then we get that 6 by multiplying 6 and 1. And 6 and 1 will be added. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. And we have to remove this bracket. 6 into x is 6x and 1 into x is 1x. And when we take 2x common here, what is remaining in the bracket here? X plus 3.
X 3.
And when we take common of 1x and 3, what is common there?
X plus 3.
1 is common, 1. Because 3 also has a factor 1, okay? And 3, there is nothing down there, okay? 3 into 1 there is. 1 common. If you take 1 common plus 1, okay, then x plus 3 is left in the bracket. And look here, our factorization is correct or not, how to know, do you know? Look, this bracket, first bracket, this x plus 3, and look, second bracket, this remaining also x plus 3. These both the remainings are same or not? Yes, they are same. They must be same. They must be same. If they are same, then our factorization is correct. X plus 3 is common. Now we have to put in bracket this remaining one, 2x plus 1 in one bracket. These are the two factors of this question. Okay, children?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, children, yes.
Sir, how it came one there in the bracket?
Which one? 6 plus 1?
Sir, in the first line. Yes, sir.
Okay, that, look here, we have to do this following. This, okay, I am going to show you. First we have to 2 3 are
6.
that 6 we have to factorize, okay? 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 3. Okay, from here we have to make two factors by using 2 3 and 1. We have to make two factors whose sum must come what? 7. 7. Whose sum must come 7. How to know it is sum? I told no. Because when we multiply 2 and 3, when we multiply this 2 and plus 3, what came there? Plus 6. If plus, then we get this 7 by adding two factors of this 6. We have to make the two factors of 6 whose sum is 7. Those two factors of 6 are what? 6 and 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now open the bracket, then you can factorize this one. Clear, children?
Yes, sir.
You must be, clear about this one, the middle one. We have to add this two factor or we have to subtract this two factor. How to know that? I just explain. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now, I am going to show you the next question. Here, first of all, we have to multiply which one number? Tell.
10 and 3.
10 and
Yep. 3.
good. 10 and minus 3. 10 and minus 3, what will be there? Minus 30, right? How minus 30 comes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is minus 30, then we have to find out this middle one. Middle one number, what is there?
A.
1. A is this variable. 1 is coefficient. This 1, how to get that 1? Do you know? By adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
Why subtracting? Do you know? Because this product of 10 and minus 3 came minus 30.
Negative 1.
10 and minus 3 comes minus 30. That's why we have to get this 1 by subtracting. Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
What are they then? 6 and 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Because we got 10 into 3, 30, no? 6 into 5 is 30 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Then remove this bracket. 6a minus 5a minus 3. What is common in this first two term? 2a. 2a common, then 5a plus 3 left. Here minus 1 common, here also left 5a plus 3. Look, it's remaining in the bracket and it's remaining in the bracket. Look, this both the remainings are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if they are same, then our answer is correct. 5a plus 3 common take, the remaining 2a minus 1 is another bracket. Clear, children? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, can you tell what should we multiply first?
3 and 1.
3 and 1. 3 1 the?
3 and 1.
3 1 the?
3.
3. Good. And how to get 4? By adding or subtracting? We have to do at the rough. At the rough, we have to do 3 factorize. Okay, like this. 3 1 the 3. The factor of 3 are 3 and 1.
3 and 1.
And in case of 4, we have to write now 3 plus 1. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now remove the bracket. 3 into x means 3x, 1 into x means 1x. Now there are 4 terms. Make the group of 2 terms. 3x common, then x plus 1. 1 here common here, and x plus 1 is remaining. Because in 1 there is 1 into 1. 2, 1 we can write here. 1 into 1. And x plus 1 same, common. 3x plus 1 is left in the other bracket. These are the 2 factors. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see there. Can you tell children what should we multiply first here?
9 and 4.
9 and minus 4. 9 and
Minus
minus 4.
4.
9 and minus 4. What will be there? Minus 36. Good.
36.
Minus 36. Now we have to factor. We have to factor 2 factor of this minus 36. Okay. Would from should come 9 or difference should come 9, children?
Difference.
Difference. Very good. Very good. Difference. Because it is minus, that's why it must be difference. What will be the difference? Tell. Do you know? Whose difference is 9, multiplication is 36.
12 and 3.
12 and 3. You are right. 12 and minus 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 into 3 minus 3 is what? Minus 36. Okay, children. Now take common. 3a common, then 3a plus 4 left. Minus b common, then 3a plus 4b. 3a plus 4b, 3a plus 4b common. 3a minus b is left there in another factor. Okay. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next one? Look here. Which one we have to multiply first, children? Can you tell?
15 and 5.
15 and 5.
15 and minus 5.
Yes, 15 and minus 5. 15 and minus 5, what will be? Minus 75.
25.
Then now tell, we will get this 22 by adding or subtracting? By adding or subtracting, children?
Subtracting.
Subtracting, because it is coming minus 75, right? Then what will be there?
Yeah.
25 minus 3, because 25 minus 3 means minus 75. Okay, when you multiply 25 and minus 3, you will get minus 75, and 25 minus 3, it will become 22. When you remove the bracket, you have to take care about this sign. Look here, this minus and this minus inside the bracket, these two signs should be multiplied, and it will be plus here. Clear, children? And 5c common, 3c minus 5d left here. Here d common, 3c minus 5d left here. 3c minus 5d, 3c minus 5d is common. Then 5c plus d is left in the bracket. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next look there. Here is some exercises for your practice, okay? Now I am going to ask to do now, okay? You have to do now, and your work will be given in Google Classroom, okay? Now you do it.
Sir, 20
But this homework will be given in Google Class.
I will give, okay? Given one you have to do. Now you solve this all.
Sir, these questions aren't in book, or you have given by yourself.
No,
This is in
questions,
book.
maybe mixed one, okay? Maybe, sir. Mixed one.
Sir, in 20.5, there is not this. 20.5.
No, some of the questions are selected from book and some are given from extra also. Okay, children?
Okay.
Now you should
Okay,
try to learn the method, okay? But question can be solved of any from any book and from anywhere. If a question is given to solve, no, you must be capable to do. Have you learned the method or not? Can you do this I number, one number I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prozul, tell what will you do?
And first we will multiply the coefficient of last term and first term.
Then now tell now what will be the middle one? Middle one, what will be now? Tell here. Middle one is 1. Then how to bring 1?
One.
How to bring 1? By
By
subtracting
difference.
9 and 8. Because 9 8 is how much?
72.
Good. And 9 minus 8 is
1.
1. Now can you factorize, children? Can you factorize this? What I have written there,
Yes,
here,
sir.
what I have written there, is it visible or not there?
Sir, little.
What I have written, can you read it?
Sir, not
X
so
square
clear.
minus 9 minus 8 x minus 72.
X square minus 9 minus 8x minus 7. It is clearly seen. Now can you factorize after that?
Yes, sir.
When you remove the bracket, look, what will be there? I am writing at the side, look there. X square minus
Minus
9x.
9x minus 8x.
No minus 8x, plus 8x. There must be plus 8x. Why plus 8x? Do you know, Prozol?
Sir, why?
Because this front one minus sign will multiply with this minus sign when you remove the bracket.
Okay, sir.
Then there become how many terms?
4.
4. What are common in first two terms? X common, x minus 9. I hope you are writing, you are doing. And then what is common in last two terms? 8 x minus 9 left there also. Now what is common, children? Now x minus 9. Then what will be the next one? X plus, can you tell? X plus 8. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What are the two factors still in there? X minus 9 and the factor is x
And X
plus
plus
8.
8.
Can you factorize these two numbers? Before factorization, we have to take x square common. There is x square common from all. Can you take?
Yes.
Can you take?
X square.
Yes, yes. Please do in copy. And in difficulty, ask me. I will show you.
So we need to resolve.
No, time is sufficient. We can do. What is common from all?
X.
X square.
X square. Good. If you take x square common, what is remaining in the bracket? If you take x square common, in bracket there will
Sir,
be remaining
X minus
x square.
X
Square minus
minus 14
14x
45.
14x plus 45.
plus 45.
How to get this 14, children? Now how to get 14? How to get
By
14 this?
adding.
Huh?
By adding.
By
Adding.
adding. Good, because here is one coefficient, 1 into 45 is 45. Then how to get 14? Do you know? 9 5s are 9 5s is 45, and 9 plus 5 we have to write in place of 14 and then factorize. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What will you do? 9 plus 5. Okay? Can you factorize, children? In these other questions one, you tell me which type of question you feel difficult. I will help to solve you. Which type of question? Hello, children.
Sir.
From these given questions one, okay, which one you feel difficult? Please tell. I am telling to break the middle term on fast. Okay, look here. 5, number 1, 5 4 the what will be? 20 plus 20. Then how to get this? How to get this 12? 10 plus 2. Here you have write 10 plus 2. 10 to the 20. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. In question number 2.
Okay, sir.
In question number 2, what is there? 6 5s are 30, but minus there is, okay, minus 30. Then we will get 7 by
Minus
subtracting. How to get 7? 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 will be 7. And 12 minus 5, 7, and 12 into minus 5 is minus 60. Is that? But here is 30. Is that correct? Are you listening or not?
Sir.
What I told just now, 5 6 is 30, minus 30 comes there, okay, here minus 30, okay, look here, minus 30 comes here, then we have to bring this 7 we need to bring by subtracting, no, then we have to add 12, or this one, look at, we should bring 7, but it is 5 6 is 30. How to bring 30 by multiplying and subtracting 7? Do you know, children? By multiplying 30 and subtracting 7, what are those two numbers? Multiplication is minus 30, subtraction 7. What are those two numbers? You tell.
Which one?
Sorry? Please repeat, Nemisa. Repeat.
Can you again say the question? I couldn't hear you.
Two number.
So.
By multiplying it should come minus 30. And by subtracting it should come 7. What are they?
3 and 10. Minus 3 and 10.
10 and minus 3. 10 and minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. You are absolutely right there. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. You are right, children. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Now 3 number. Let's see 3 number. 12 into minus 5 is minus 60. How to get 4? By subtracting which is number? 12 into 5 is 60. The minus 60 is there. We have to
10 and 6.
10 and minus 6.
No, our multiplication must come
minus 60.
Minus 60.
10 and minus 6.
10 and minus 6. Good. 10 and minus 6. 10 and minus 6 is the answer. 10 minus 6. Okay. 10 minus 6 is, what will be? 4. And 10 into minus 6 is minus 60. Good.
60.
Then forward. What would in 4 number? 4 number 5 6 are
5
30.
into 6. 30.
And 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 you will do. 10 plus 3. And 5 number 10 6 are 60 here, okay. And here you will do 17 means 12 plus 5. Because 12 5 is also 60. 12 plus 5, okay. And
Okay,
6 number, look here. 8 3 are 24 plus 24, right? Then 10 you will get 6 plus 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 7 number, 12 5 are 60 is minus 60. We have to bring here 28. How to bring this? 28 is there. Do you know? 40 minus 2. 40 minus 2 is what? 28. 30 minus 2 is 28. 32 is 60. 30 into minus 2 is minus 60. No? Now 8 number, look there. 8 into 18 do. How much comes? Okay. That is negative. Then we get 45 by subtracting. We get 18 into 8. What will be there? Look at 8 8 is 64. 6 8 1 is 8 plus 6 41 and 44, right? Then we
Yes, sir.
break that and we get this middle one by subtracting. 45. How to get 45 by subtracting? Which is number?